Hello and welcome to Unwiring Tech. I'm your host Ranjana, and today we are here to discuss an extraordinary event of the year 2025, Mahakumbh, now being dubbed as Digital Mahakumbh. For centuries, the Mahakumbh has been symbol of spiritual unity, drawing millions of pilgrims to the bank of the sacred rivers in India. It's one of the largest gatherings of humanity on the planet, a spectacle of devotion, culture, and community. But Mahakumbh 2025 is set to become a landmark event, not just in terms of scale, but in terms of innovation. This time, the Mahakumbh is embracing technology in a way that's truly unprecedented. Let's explore how technology is making this ancient tradition smarter, safer, and more seamless. This year, Uttar Pradesh government is leveraging artificial intelligence, advanced surveillance systems, and digital tools to ensure smooth operations and an enhanced pilgrim experience. Let's discuss. First is crowd management. Did you know that AI powered systems are being used to monitor and manage massive crowds? With tens of millions of people expected, safety is paramount. AI tools will analyze live drone footage and CCTV camera feeds will be used to detect overcrowded areas in real time. These state of art cameras will not only ensure the safety and security of the pilgrims but also assist in reuniting individuals who may get separated from their loved ones in the Mela. Not only this, a digital Khoya Paya Kendra, Lost and Found Center, will also be set up with advanced technology to reunite individuals who get separated from their families. Moving on, imagine being amidst millions of people and needing quick answers, from finding a specific ghat to knowing the time of the next ritual. That's where Sahayak steps in. Krutrim, an artificial intelligence firm, has been assigned the task of delivering hosted open source LLM, large language model services for Sahayak, the first ever AI powered chatbot for the Mahakumbh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath have officially launched the chatbot. Available in multiple languages, the chatbot is like your personal guide. Pilgrims can access it on their phones to ask questions about event schedules, locations of facilities, or even transportation updates. It is trained on data from past Kumbh events, ensuring that it provides accurate and context specific answers. Sahayak is user friendly and designed to reduce confusion, making the Kumbh experience smoother for everyone. A standout feature this year is the digitization of land and service allotments. Historically, allocating land for akhadas, cultural groups, and other entities was a manual process riddled with inefficiencies. Not anymore. The Prayagraj Mela Authority has adopted GIS based mapping and high resolution drone surveys to prepare layouts for 25 sectors. This tech driven approach ensures precise land allotments with 0.5 cm accuracy, a first for the Mahakumbh. Over 10,000 institutions, including akhadas and cultural organizations, benefited from this system. What's more, permits for services and amenities or Suvidha Parchees have also gone digital. Stakeholders can now view and verify their allotment in real time, a transformation that promotes transparency and accountability at the same time. Next, let's talk about something close to the heart of the Mahakumbh: cleanliness. With millions of people converging, waste management is a monumental task. Here is where AI steps in. It is expected that more than 1.5 lakh metric tons of solid waste will be generated during the 45-day long Kumbh Mela. The state government will deploy AI-equipped special vans designed to detect uncleared trash piles on the roadside with an aim to keep the streets clean. These AI-equipped vans use route optimization algorithms to ensure efficient garbage pickup from across the Mela grounds. This system not only keeps the grounds clean but also reduces the workload on sanitation workers. Using artificial intelligence, the Uttar Pradesh government is set to digitize one of the biggest human gatherings. In order to guarantee the safety, security, and smooth operations of the 45 crore pilgrims who are anticipated to attend Mahakumbh 2025 on the banks of Sangam, AI could prove to be a game changer in ensuring that devotees do not face any difficulty. However, the use of artificial intelligence at the Mahakumbh isn't just about efficiency. It's also about making this ancient tradition more inclusive and accessible. Virtual reality tours powered by AI allow those unable to attend to experience Kumbh from their home. And AI based language translation apps help international visitors communicate, breaking barriers of language and culture. It's thus inspiring to see how technology and tradition can coexist harmoniously. The Mahakumbh reminds us of our spiritual heritage, while AI ensures that this heritage is celebrated safely and efficiently in the modern world. That's all for today's episode of Unwiring Tech. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.